Today I'm going to cover how to transfer protocols to the GSI Novus. You will need the HearSIM software installed, a micro USB cable, and the Novus device. You want to click on the icon to the left of Patients, and down at the bottom of this pop-out window you'll see the version 2.1 or higher will contain new protocols. Select the Devices section. Here's where you would be able to customize each device and select the Protocol tab. You can see an ABR, TE, and DPoAE protocol, and depending on your device, you may see one, two, or all three of these default protocols. Click in the blue circle to add a protocol. Here you can see additional intensity level chirp protocols, click protocols, and a few new DP and TEOAE protocols. Simply select the one you want to add to your device. Maybe you want to add a couple of them, so I'll select a couple of them. They'll appear at the top of my protocols list. I want to ensure they transfer to my device, so I'm going to click on that radio button so it turns blue. And then I can move these around a little bit into the order that I most likely will screen. Once I have all the protocols displayed, I want to connect my Novus device, select or click on the dancing icon, make sure Protocols is selected, and then click Update. Once the device is updated, simply disconnect, restart it, and you should be able to view these new protocols on your Novus.